morning students. Today we will discuss a problem on orthographic projections. So this is the problem, three-dimensional object is given in this problem. So what are the dimensions we have seen? The length is given 40 and the width is given 30 and the height is mentioned 30. So here 40 is mentioned. Whenever the arrow is given, that is my front view. This is my front view. So this is my 40 is given. So draw the reference line first of all. X1 and Y1. Now you are watching from this direction. You can see this 40 length and the height is 10, the small box, and you can see the slant face. This is slant face is observe. You are watching. This is a slant face. This is a slant face. Even though you are watching the slant face, but in the front view you will get only two straight lines like this. Okay, why? Because you are following a orthographic projections. Where I can see this slant face inclination, in the side view I can see the slant face inclination. It is not possible to watch from the front side. So in the front side, whatever the slant face is there, the slant face will follow a straight line only. Now we will see what is the dimension as per this diagram. Now first of all, construct the front view. The front view having a total length 40 and 10 height. Total height is 30. Now draw the 40 height and 10. Length is 40 and 10 height. You draw this box. Next we are going to draw this height. So in order to draw this slant height, so total length is given. The total height is given. What is the total length? The total height is 30. So already this is mentioned how much? This is the 10. This is mentioned 10 and this is my 40. Now from here onwards we are drawing one more line. This line is how much? 20 height. This is total. The total height is 30. From there you draw the box. So the total height is, now this is 20, this is 10 and this is 40. Now exactly this is this distance. What is this length? This length should be, here it is mentioned. From here to here it is 15 and here to here it is 15. The midway one is 10 mm. So exactly this is the total length is 40. From it exactly at the midpoint at 20, take 5 mm here and 5 mm here and draw the lines. Draw the two horizontal lines. Or simply here to here you take 15 and here to here you take 15. You will get the 10 mm distance. And you can take like this also. Now we completed the front view portion. Now we are going to draw the top view portion. The top view, you are watching from the top side. I can see this box and again I can see the slant face. Here also the slant face, I can't see the true length of the slant. The true length of the slant can be seen only in the side view. So this length and this box. First of all you draw the total box. So here in the top view, what you are going to draw in the top view, I am going to draw the width. So what is the width? Width is carrying how much? 30 mm. And length, what is the length? Length is 40 mm. So simply give some 20 mm distance from here onwards here. So draw the projection lines, exactly the length. These are the projection lines. Now from there onwards, the top view, the length will be decided. This is the length. What is the total length? The length is 40. This length is how much? 40. Now what is this distance? This distance is 10 mm is mentioned here. So draw 10 mm. 10 mm. Now close that box. Now total width is mentioned from here to here. The total width is mentioned how much? It is a 30. So from here to here, exactly from this point, from the starting point to this point, 30 we have to draw. Now draw this line here also. So this will transfer the total 30. This is transferred here. Now here after 20, this whatever this length is there, simply shift whatever the projections are there, simply the other projection lines exactly at this point and the other projection lines exactly here. This should not be highlighted. From here onwards here, draw this slant face. That's it. This is the top view. So what is this total length? This total length is, the total width is 30, and whatever the length is there, the length is 40. In the top view we are showing every time width and length. In the front view we are showing the length and width. We completed these two portions. Now we are going to draw the side view. Where is the side view? This is a side view. This is a side view. You are watching from this side. See, this is the side I am watching. So you have my two hands are located here. This is the side view. This is side. In this side view, I watching from this side. I am going to watch on the right plane. So this is the right plane. So draw on the right side. This is my draw a reference line. First of all, draw the reference line x1 and y1. From there onwards, what are the horizontal lines are there? Draw the horizontal lines. Project it. These are the horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there here? In the front view, 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal lines are there. In the top view, how many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3. So these are the horizontal lines are there. Now this is my intersection point O. From here onwards, I am drawing 1. This is the first point, first horizontal line, second horizontal line, third horizontal line. Now taking O1 distance and O is a center, cut an arc. O2 distance, O is a center, cut an arc. O3 distance, O is a center, cut an arc. Now at this height we are shifting. So what is this distance? This distance. This distance is how much? 30. So similarly this will be 30. So draw the projection lines. Now here to here it is how much? It is will be the 30. So it will be the 30. I am rubbing this. Okay. So this is 30 mm. Next, this is height. This height is mentioned. This height is how much? This height is 30. Here the 30 is mentioned. This total height. So this will be the 30. Simply draw the line. Now see what is the side view you are going to see. This L shape. Whatever the L shape is there, the L shape with the slant face. This is a slant face. Whatever the slant face is, the slant face I am going to see. Along with the L shape, the slant face will be visible. So what is this length? This length should be 10 mm. This is the 10. Same we will transfer here also. Whatever the length is there, the same will be transfer here. So what is this total height? This total height will be, the total height will be 30 is mentioned. So this is a 30. Same 30 is shifting here with the help of projection system. So if this is 30, this will be 30. Now this is 30. Again, what is this length? This is length is 10. So this is the length is 10. This length is 10. Here also this length is 10. So this is the 10. This is the 10 and this is the 20. Same way this is I am transferring here L shape. This is how much? 10 mm. I am going to see this L shape. From here onwards, at what height you should draw down up to this height. So this height, this is 10 mm, and shift it. You close the box. You will get the L shape. Now this is a slant face. The slant line, the true inclination will be seen from here to here. So this is a side view we will construct. Now we will discuss another problem regarding orthographic projections. So this is the I section problem he has given. So see here the arrow mark is located here. So observer is initially located here. So this is the front view direction. So total length is 60 and the whatever the height will be seen here. The 20 plus 40 plus 60. The total height will be, you will get around 80. Now here the total length is 40 is mentioned. Total width is mentioned 40. Now we are going to construct first of all front view, then top view, then next side view. The side view we are watching this side. So this is a right side. This is the right side you are watching. So it will fall on the left plane. So draw the reference line first. So reference line XY. Next. Now we are going to see this box initially. So this is a front view. So what is this box? It is a 60 and 20. So give some distance. It is a 60 height and 20, 60 length and 20 height. Next one you are going to see this. So what is this length? This length is 40. And what is this length here? It is mentioned that is will be 20. Here it is a 20. This is a 20. This length is 20. So This length is how much? Totally 60. Select the 30 midpoint. From there onwards, give 10 mm and 10 mm and draw the height. Total height is 40. Total height is 40. Next, this is the 40. This will be the 20. Next one, here we see this shape. This is how much? This total length is 40. So this is already 20. So give equivalent shape. This is 10 mm. This 10 mm. From here onwards, give 10 mm height, 10 mm length, and 10 mm length. And what is this total height? This total length will be 20. Now, close this box. So I am watching from this side. I can see a I shape. So this is my front view. Now give the dimensions. So this will be the 40 and this will be the 20 and this will be the 40 and this will be the 20 and total length is 60. Now we are simply drawing the top view here. To top view, this is how much? Simply draw the projection lines. So how many vertical lines are there? This is one vertical, this is vertical line, this is vertical, this is vertical. So totally 6 vertical lines are there. So we are going to shift 6 vertical lines downwards. So give some 20 mm distance. Draw vertical line. First. And so in the top view, what we are going to construct the width, whatever the width and length. So length is already known. So what is the length? 60 and the width is how much? 40. So in the top view, this is the total 40 and watching from the top side, you can see the 40 and 60 length. So first of all, create the box 60 into 40 length. So this is how much? This length should be 40. This length should be 40 exactly here. And this length is already known. This is 60. Now you created a total box. So you are watching from the top side. I can see this total box along with this box and these lines. But these lines are not visible. This total box is visible. This box is visible. Now I completed this total box. This is how much? 60. And this length is how much? 40. The width should be always in the downwards only. Now I am going to construct this smaller box. This box is how much? This is 20 and this is 40. So this 20, 40 is located exactly where? Here. This distance and this distance is 10 mm and 10 mm. So exactly at the midpoint, give this total height is how much? 20. So exactly at here, select at the midpoint, and these are the projection lines. Draw the projection lines first of all, and draw this projection. This whatever the box is there, this box I am going to see here. So this box is simply projection lines. Simply project these lines. Project these lines. Project these lines. Now I projected these vertical lines downwards. Next, see here, this box is 40 and this box 20. So it's at the midpoint I am drawing this box how much? This is 40 length and 20 height. So 20 width at the midpoint. Now this box is visible. This is the box. So exactly at the midpoint. See here the 20 mm, dot 10 mm above, 10 mm below, and create the box. So these are the length of the projections. Now we drawn these two also. So I am watching from the top side. These two lines are visible, not visible. So these are hidden lines. Draw a hidden dotted lines. Draw a dotted lines. So and after all, rub this portion. Okay. So this is our top view we are constructed. Now we are going to construct another reference line in order to draw the side view. To saw the side view, what is the procedure? Simply what are the horizontal lines are there? Horizontal lines should be, we are projecting like this. These are the horizontal. This is the first one, second one, and third one. This is the fourth one. So first, second, third, and fourth. Similarly here, we are projecting the horizontal lines. So how many horizontal lines? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here by this we can conclude that this is the height is how much? This is the height we are getting here, and this is the width we are approaching here. So in the side view, we are getting the width and height. So simply shifting, this is the reference origin point. Now take O1 distance, get an arc. Similarly O2, get an arc. O3, get an arc. O4, repeat the procedure. Now draw the, with this height, same height, maintain here. These are the projection lines actually. So same height, we are drawing the box. So whatever the 40 is, the 40 length should be kept here. Next, you are watching from this side, the 40 is mentioned and the 20 is there. So this is the 20, draw simply 20, this is the 20 height. I draw the 20 height. Next, now I am watching this height 40 and this, what is this length? This length should be 20, here it is mentioned. This is 20, this is also 20. Now, this is also 20, see here, this is a 40 height and this is also 20. These two lines, whatever these two lines are there, from here to here, this is the 20. So this is the 20. So exactly, without measuring anything, simply you project it. So what is the height? This height is 40. So simply you are projecting the height 40 and the length is 20. Now we completed this box and this box, and we have to complete now this box. In order to complete this, we are going here. So this is what is the height? 20. Simply draw the 20 mm. This is the 20 mm height and finish it. Draw the straight lines. Now we completed the side view also. So this is a side view. In the side view, you are going to see this box and this box. In the front view, I am going to see this portion, this smaller box and this total box, along with that two hidden lines. These are the two hidden lines. In the front view, I am going to see this box, this edge, so L shape. So this is the construction for orthographic projections.